N8N is great, but do you know what can make it even better? If you don't have to update it every couple of days. That's what I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you how to automatically update N8N. Anyway, I think that's enough of an intro. Let's just start. So first you need to have an N8N instance. Then you need to go to the server that you use, copy the IP address, go to the CMD or terminal of if you're on Mac. So once you have CMD open or terminal on Mac, you're gonna type SSH root at and then the IP address. And then you're gonna get the password, which is this one. I'm gonna change in a second. So don't try to go into my server. Now you can just follow the instructions from here. You pretty much need to create a new file, copying this command, which is nano update n8n.sh. You're gonna create a new file. You can pretty much just copy everything from here. And then click Ctrl and H, and then Y, and now enter to save it. Alright, so next we need to make it executable, so we're just gonna copy this command here, paste it. And now we can either test it or just go to the scheduling part. I'm not gonna skip the testing right now, I'm gonna go to the scheduling part so I can show you. You just copy this command here. So you're gonna get the Cron and you type 1 because you want nano. Now you copy this one here. Go to ChatGPT. Like literally that's the simplest way to do it. And you just, this one you need to leave like that. Let's say you want every Friday at 7:30, oh, and that's AM because it's 24 hours. And now you have the cron command. Let's say you want it the second Tuesday of the month. Give me, actually I'm just gonna paste it. Give me the cron for the second Tuesday of the month at 7:15. And now I have it. Let's say I want this one, so I'm just gonna copy it, come here, go to the bottom and just paste it, then Ctrl X, Y and enter, and we're pretty much done. As you figure it out by now, most probably, nothing's gonna happen until the second Tuesday of the month, so I'm just gonna test the command by using this execution here. I just copy it, I'm gonna paste it and run it. And what this code does is pretty much is gonna stop the instance, get the latest version of N8N, pretty much install it and then remove the old one. And now we're gonna wait a second here. I'm gonna come back when it's done. Okay, so it's pretty much done, and now I just refresh the page, it's erroring. And it should be ready in a second. Alright, so as you can see, we don't have any update notices, and also if you go to about N8N, we're gonna see that we are on the latest version right now. I'm gonna leave a link for that in the description. It's free, you can check it out. You can book a free quick consultation with the link below. And I'm also helping a friend of mine with his community. We have almost 100 people, we have a bunch of stuff here. We also have 2 live meetings every month, so if you want to speak with me or with him, just join us and we're gonna see each other. Anyway, that was from me. I wish you a nice day.